Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Just want to say thank you so much to the new subscribers. I know I keep saying that in every single video, but it's true guys. Your support is vital to me, so thank you so much. So today's a crafting project, but before we dig into it, I just want to remind you guys I still have some of my kits left. So this is one of them. This is actually number 8. Excuse me. Few have been purchased last week, but I still have few to get rid of. So there are some Christmas kits as well. So if you guys want to have a look, I will post the link to that video just in the description down below. So after watching this video guys, go and have a look, and then they're only £12.50 plus £12.50 if you live in UK. If not, I will calculate shipping cost for you guys. Please the craft room is still a bit crumbed, so give me a help to get rid of some bits. Okay, so then let's go back to the project. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made those lovely pillow boxes ideas. They are fantastic little mini gift boxes. As you can see, I didn't really go over too mad for the decoration, because I just wanted, you know, to just showcase the shape and the paper rather than the actual decoration. So I have used the Pillowbox punch board from WeRmemorykeepers, and it comes with basically a little punch. Instructions are super easy to follow, and you got a little bone folder as well. Okay, so as you can see, you can make all different sizes. So the width of the box is the same, so you just can change basically how the length of the pillow box, if I'm making sense. So in fact, as you can see here, they are exactly the same with just a different length. Okay, so let me put, oh, for these, forgot to show you, for these I have used the Paper Boutique. This has been gifted for me by lovely Danielle when she sent me in a happy mail. So again, I will put the link of the video down below. Thank you, Danielle. And right, let's make it. So for today's project, I am going to use one of my favorite ever papercraft design paper. So it's the Summer in Provence, for you that speak French like me. I don't. 36 decorative paper, 6 sheets per design, and it's made in UK. So fantastic paper. Is one-sided, so it's not double-sided, but the finish is really it feels really luxurious, and you've got all this gorgeous botanical prints, and you've got beautiful colors. I used some of it already, as you can see. See if I can see how. Oh, that's it. 150. Oops, sorry guys. 150 GSM, and it's basically 12 by 12. Let me move the camera back. Okie dokie. So today we're going to be making 2 sizes again, so I can show you exactly what I mean. So the as I said, the width is the measure 5 1/4 by 12. And then this one, the small one, is 5 1/4 by 6. Okay, and I'll show you. Let me get rid of my boards. Just put a pin in here. Right, extremely easy. So what you do, you position. Start with the small first. You position your. Oops. So this is your start line. So you position your paper there, like so, and you punch. And after you punch, you literally follow the curve and you score. And then there is a straight line here, so you follow that as well. Don't worry if you can get to the end of the paper, because we're going to rotate it in a bit. Okay, so you've done your first line. Now this line, you just put it in there, okay, which you will see that will literally follow this line as well. So again, punch, and you follow this line again. Follow the curve, and then again parallel line like so. So you have something that looks like that. So now to get this edge here, what you do again, you position it on your starting line. Right, it's not, that's it. And then as you can see, this line will match the start line, and then you punch again, and you end up with something like that. What you do, you'll turn around and do exactly the same. Okay, so you position on the start line, punch, and then curve, then start line, punch, curve, and then as you can see here, I can go back to scoring the first line there, and then last, your positioning there, again you can see your score line will match with the start line, and you punch. So you end up with a Pillowbox which is open. Okay, so on the reverse punch in here, don't know if you can see it, the reverse punch has got the little, I don't know how can you say actually, so if you put the paper in there, you can see in there, and then put it flat and punch, you got that little edge that helps you to open it and close it, and you do the same on the other side. So let me show you what I'm doing. So again, put it in there, put it flat and punch, so you end up with this. So now we need to get rid of this little edge here, so you cut it like that, so you've got your tab to put together your box. So I recommend, before you actually stick glue it together, to gently fold it so it gets its own shape before you actually put your adhesive. I recommend with paper to use dry adhesive, so I'm going to be using double-sided tape. So you follow the scoring line and you do exactly the same on the top there. And last, you do exactly the same, like so. Then you fold it, and then you fold this line here, like that. Okay, so that's your box open. Then, where is it? Then we're going to put our double-sided paper. You simply adhere in there. Just cut the little edge in here. As you can see, me and double sellotape don't like each other, so you can see it before in my tutorials. So, oh no, he likes me today, brilliant. So, and then you basically adhere it together like so. Okay, and that's your box done. So first side there, and that goes on top, and again first side, and that goes on top, like that. How cute is that, guys? And it's extremely easy to make. Okay, very quick. So, scoring starting line like so, punch, follow the curve, straight line, moving, punch, curve, and that. And then what you do the last punch. Okay, so one side is done, and then we turn it over, we do exactly the same. Punch, curve, and that line. Don't worry too much if the two lines don't meet yet, because we're going to use the scoring tool to do that. Okay, so punch, curve, follow the curve, and straight line, and the last punch, which as you can see matching that line. So you ended up with something that looks like that, and then doing the reverse punch. Hope you guys see what I'm doing there. Punch and punch. So then get your scoring board again. Can you see this line here? I don't know if you can see on camera. It's basically need to meet in there. So that should be straight. Yep, one done. And that's it. Okay, so you get your tool box. Let's get rid of this. So reinforce the scoring board there, and gently follow the curve. In. I saw on Pinterest when I was looking to see what other people have done with this tool, and somebody, if I find it, I'll actually post in the description, in the info box, the description box, made an advent calendar. So he made it 25 of these boxes with all different sizes, and she put, oops, sorry guys, she put a number on each of the box, so that's a really nice idea as well. Okay, let's put double side. Me and the double side sellotape, we have a love-hate relationship. Oh, stuck on my finger, that's it. And last one. Okay, and then just simply peel it off. There. That's it. It's done it. It's done it. It's done it. It's done it. Right. So, and then you simply fold it. And then you've got your tool box. Yep. That's it, and that's your tool. Right, so that's the two sizes that we've done today. That's what I've done previously. So, what do you guys think? Let me move it so it's on the camera actually. So as you can see, you can make so many different sizes lengthwise. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you're going to make some. If you do, please let me know. I have a Facebook group, so please share your project over there. I will put the link in the description down below. I've got an Instagram as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.